How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reverse strings in Java. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Alright, let's get straight to the code. So first, we're going to create a string reverser object. And then it's going to have a string as a data field. Next, we're going to create our reverse string method. So for our reverse string method, we're going to have a string, reversed string. Next, we're going to have a for loop that goes from I is equal to word dot length minus 1, which is the end of our string that's passed through our constructor. That I is going to be greater than or equal to 0. Then we're going to decrement I by 1. Inside, we're going to have reversed string plus equals word dot character at I. Out of our for loop, we're going to print out reversed string. Now let's go to our main method. And our example value is going to be string word is equal to Goku. Then we're going to create our string reverser object. Alright, next we're going to call on sr dot reverse string. Now it's time to run the code. And voila, that's how you reverse strings in Java. If you have any questions, comment below. Alright, thank you for watching.